welcome everybody to Usambara Mountain in Tanzania. My name is Dennis Munga and I will be your guide on this hike through Usambara Mountain. At Usambara Mountain you will find waterfall, beautiful lodge, narrow path and a spectacular viewpoint. On a clear day, you can even see Mount Kilimanjaro. On day one, we can show you Lushoto with the beautiful waterfall and viewpoint. How it was before. This is one of my favorites. This is like more African, huh? I love the fact that they put this one. So on the other side it's white. On this side they said it's African style. On day 2, we will take you to Mkuzi to see the old farm, forest and waterfall. So this is Usambara Two Horns Chameleon. The name Usambara Two Horns Chameleon comes after the two horns which you can see and the place which they are located. They are located in the mountain, which is Usambara Mountain. The male, they are big in size, while the female are small in size. When you come to the body morphology, that's the difference, the very big difference. When you come to their eyes rotate. Some they say it rotates 360. But if the other eye look on the other side, also the other eye look of the other side. Also they use the color. Mostly for the changing of the color is two reasons. One is to show their mood and one is to regulate with the temperature. When the sun is very strong, they have to turn to green bright, which is normally to regulate the color. So this is the border which separates the village of KJ and the KJ forest. And from here, we are starting getting into KJ forest. We are going to walk 1 hour, 30 minutes until we finish the forest. Inside the forest, we are going to be lucky because animals, they're not mobile, whereby they stay in the one area. We are going to see black and white calabash monkey. So we are going to walk all the way until we get to the other village, which is called Hunde, and that will be the other explanation about the other area. Yes. So sometimes there's rangers who patrol. So you must come across them where they might ask for the catfish. But let's see how we do.
of it. And this is the area where you can see they have like a very, it's not that lecture thing, but it's a very small area where you can also enjoy for the night. They have 4 beds. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one.
On day 3, we will take you to Chambolo Peak, which requires easy climbing, and you will be rewarded with views of Kilimanjaro, and after that we take you to Rango.
We are now at Mgwashu village. We are heading to the peak up. It's called Chambolo Peak, where the height above sea level is 2,289. We're looking forward to be at the top. Welcome all. From this amazing view, you can see Kilimanjaro on a clear day, Mambo Viewpoint, and part of the Pari Mountain, as well in Mkomazi National Park down. And as well, this is an amazing viewpoint to be.
On day 4, we will cross Ushagai Forest to Mambo Viewpoint, whereby we will enjoy the sunset of the area. We have left Rango, and now we are getting in. We are walking towards the forest of Shagai, and we are looking forward to enjoy the forest. We have arrived at Mambo Viewpoint Lodge, and we are heading to the viewpoint. On the last day, we will take you to Magoroto Lake to relax after the long hike. please contact us for more detail and we'll be happy to organize your hike.
Welcome to Usambara Mountain. Karibu sana Tanzania.